Hi everyone, it's Tim here, and I am delighted to welcome you to this month's Top Music Sheets. It's a collection by the amazing Mark Matthews, an Australian composer, and this collection is full of two things which I absolutely love. One is tactile clicks and taps and things like that, which kids always love. Secondly, it's got lots of Aussie pieces in it. So if you are overseas and you're looking for, or you need something for a recital or a festival or something that is all about Aussie music, then this is a collection to keep and to treasure and to make sure you explore with your students. Let's jump into it and have a bit of a look. We've got pieces of music in here from grades 1 to 5 level in Australian AMUB. So let's check it out. All right, so the first piece is called Gabby's Gig, and this is a swung piece, pretty groovy. No pedal, finger snaps. And you could imagine a sax or a trumpet or something like that playing that melody, and students can really enjoy getting into that. Love the finger claps. There's a few more through there as well. Now the next piece, Tom's Tom Tom, was written by a student of Mark's at age 7 years of age. Apparently he liked using the palms of his hands. So this piece gets the students to do that. So we start with the left hand, that's quite simple, and right hand. Like a march, and then palms, and tapping. Oh, tap knuckles, sorry. Got the march up again. So this would be great if you're interested in just kind of exploring different sounds, different ways of using the piano with a student. If you've got a student like Tom, maybe they'd love that one. That's about grade 1 level. Also around grade 1 level is The Bell. So this was written for Mark's granddaughter, I believe, called Annabelle. And it's in 6/8. Uses this accompaniment pattern, which is in the right hand. So this is great. We get melody in the left hand. And lots of pedal. And here, right hand crosses over. Isn't that just beautiful? It actually sounds like a bell, and it's for Annabelle, which I think is pretty cool. Now the next three pieces, the Platypus, Wally the Wombat, and Old Man Emu, are all Australians. So they're from a collection of Mark's called Postcards from Australia. So the first one, the Platypus, platypuses don't pedal, Mark has said here, so we don't want to use pedal. And we've got this kind of a bit of a funky left hand ascending chromatic ascents and descents throughout the piece. So we have this kind of 1, 2, 3, because they're a little bit shy, these guys. So it's a bit of a quirky piece. Can explore that with your students. In great contrast to that is Wally the Wombat. Now, a wombat is a really fat, slow, actually, you know what? They actually move really fast, but they look really slow, these creatures. And so this one, Mark's given a really kind of lumbering, rolling kind of sensation to them. It's all on the black keys as well down here. I can just, like, I've experienced wombats, and I've actually been around baby wombats as well in my younger years when I was doing PE teaching and outdoor education, and wombats are the cutest animals, and that just captures them so beautifully. And there's a third piece, Old Man Emu, as well, that you can explore. I'm just going to keep moving because I don't have all that much time. We've got Annabelle, which is actually a piece, and this one again, grand pedaling, Mark suggests. So we're in 6/8. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful start, right? It's beautiful to play. Apparently he wrote this in A major because Annabelle starts with A, and you've got lots of use of the piano. This is around grade 2 level, probably, yeah, more challenging grade 2, but some beautiful sounds, really quite poppy as well. So I think students will really enjoy that. Now we've got a couple of blues next, Doing It Blues. Again, we've got some tactile action from the fingers. It's really easy to forget to do the clicking. The next one, you've also got some finger snaps in it. So you got left hand and right hand claps, or clicks I should say. Lots of fun. There's a gliss at the end to finish too, which is always a win with a student. That's probably around grade 4 level, a little bit trickier. By the way, Mark has created videos of him playing all these pieces, and we link to them in this collection, so you can go and watch them if you'd prefer them to me. The next one, Transcendence, is all based on the same chord progression, which is this chord progression here. And it really is kind of variations on this chord progression. It's just beautiful. Again, very kind of popular sounding. Later on we get more of that kind of really contemporary left-hand pattern. And here you've got a 3 versus 4 pattern as well. And left hand. And eventually octaves as well. So this really is around grade 5 level. It's also about 4 pages. Quite a challenging piece of music. The last one has this. What am I doing wrong? Maybe check your key signature first, Tim. So this idea goes through the whole piece. It's got this great build-up. Really fun. It almost sounds like a movie theme or an intro to a TV show or something like that. So much value in this collection. As I said, Mark's recorded, so you can actually listen to him playing all these pieces. All studio licensed, so you can use them with as many students as you'd like in your studio. And this, of course, is a free gift to all our members each and every month inside Top Music Pro. If you're not already a member, you can grab this on our Lite plan. Our Lite plan includes all of this plus all of our webinar archives for just $10 a month. So if you're interested, TopMusicPro.com is where you go. Grab our Lite plan if you want the sheet music, or one of our higher tiers. Also includes, of course, this each and every month. We also have a pack of games that we give away each and every month in addition to this. So I hope you go and check that out. Thank you so much to Mark Matthews for contributing such a fantastic collection. I will see you next month.